Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I am going to be making a very simple dish of Vietnamese style caramel chicken. And this is an easy dish. No stress, no worries. I've just got a little jug there. Let's get on with it. I've got a cup of brown sugar. I've got a third of a cup of fish sauce. I've got a third of a cup of rice wine vinegar. I've got a tablespoon of soy sauce. And into that, I'm going to add a big knob of ginger, juice and all, and 3 cloves of garlic that I've just grated. Stir that up. Alright, here I've got 1 kg of chicken thigh fillets. And that sauce marinade, I'm just going to put about a third of that into that chicken. I'm just going to mix that through. Alright, I'll just put that aside for a bit. Alrighty guys, so just in my Matty Boom Boom wok here, I've just got a tablespoon or so of oil heating up, and the first thing I'm going to do is just brown that chicken. And because it's been sitting in liquid there, we need to take our time and let that liquid evaporate a bit before it really starts caramelizing. Alrighty guys, and once this chicken's getting some nice colour on it, I'm going to add a few stalks of spring onion or scallion, just sliced up, and I've got 3 large chilies that I've just sliced. And we'll just cook that for another minute or two. Right, next I'm just going to add the rest of that sauce we made. Alrighty guys, this is starting to look really good, smelling good. Getting a really nice caramel sauce going there. Now, I was just looking at this and smelling it, and I've just had I had a bit of a random thought. I think what'll go really nice in this sauce with this chicken as well is I've just got some roasted cashews I just happen to have here. So like I say, it's a bit of a random thought, but I'm throwing them in. It's about half a cup. And Yeah, cashews and caramel, yum. So we'll just mix them through and just warm them through. And that's looking so good. And I'm actually about to take this off the heat, and I'm just going to put in half a handful of just roughly shredded mint leaves as well. And that is done. Alrighty guys, so I've just plated up some of my Vietnamese style caramel chicken. I'm going to try a bit. Get a bit of that sauce and greenery on there. We'll see if we can focus in on it. Give it a taste. Guys, that is absolutely delicious. Beautiful dish. You saw how easy that was. That's just so simple. You can whip that up in no time at all, and it's an absolutely beautiful meal there. And I'm going to sit down, eat the rest of this with some rice, and I cannot wait. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Really awesome. Fantastically awesome. You really are. Thank you for that. If you haven't subscribed yet, can I just ask that you hit that subscription tag button, whatever you want to call it, and that'd be awesome. Awesome. Alrighty, I will see you all next time.